Good morning, student. Today we will see the last chapter. I created a life, written by Mary Shelley. Okay, student, go about the description of the author by your own. See, I will tell the summary. I'll explain. I will tell the yeah, explanation of the chapter. So please, student, listen very carefully. There was a a boy. The Victor name was Victor Frankenstein, and he live in Ingolstadt, and he was very good in the subject chemistry. So he had done several discoveries, and his new discovery was to create a life. And he finally thought to create a life, to create a creature, and all sort of things he connected so many of wire as written here. And he created a creature, and the creature which he has created, that was very ugly, and he has created a very used creature, a man he has created. And really, by seeing that man, he himself was very sad. He was a feeling of guilt that why he had created such a ugly, such a beastful or monster like a creature. But after and in his sadness, he walked so far, so far, and after get exhausted and tired, he felt asleep. And or at the mid of his sleep, he felt a jerk. Then he saw the door was opened, and he was feeling a bit cold, he was feeling, and he saw the man with the creature which he has created was standing. He was having a yellow color eyes. He has given a very unpleasant smile by looking that creature. And after that, by seeing to each other, the monster like creature ran away from that home. Next morning, when he got up, Victor got up and went to his laboratory. He saw that a monster creature was not over there. He has ran away. And he was very sad by thinking that why he had created this such a devil like man. Then he got a good news that his childhood friend, whose name was Henry Clevel, has visited him, because he got got a permission from his father to pursue his further education, as it is written here, to pursue the further education. Okay, a few days he has spent very nice in the company of his friend, and he got the letter of his sister. She was not Victor's own sister. She was an adopted girl by Victor's parents. Her name is Elizabeth in this story. And he felt sad because he has not sent any letter or message to his parents. He thought to write the letter to his parents, but again the thought of that creature, wildly creature, revolved in his mind. Then he ignored. He thought not to write the letter. Then soon after that, he got a very sad news from his parents that Justin was murdered. Who is Justin over here? Justin is Victor's younger brother. And by hearing this, he thought to rush towards his home. When while walking towards his home or going towards his home, the thought came in his mind that the culprit behind his brother murdered would be he was sure that the creature which he created. Okay, and when he reached near his home, that his thought or his guess was now confirmed, that the Justin was murdered by the that creature, and this was only known by the Victor. And then everyone said over there that the girl who was named Justin, she was caught by the police in the case of in the murder case of Justin, because all the clues hint towards that Justin. Okay, he consoled his father and the Elizabeth for Justin's for the his younger brother. What was the name? William. Sorry, before this I have told the Victor's younger brother name was Justin. No, Victor's younger brother name was William, as it is given here. Look, William and Justin, William's friend, one of the friend, was caught by the police because all the clue hinted towards her, and she was, as Victor was. Very nicely knowing this, that this all has been done by this creature which he has created. In all his sadness, he was moving, and he has spent so many days this way only with his friend happily. But at one day he found that a huge monster like what creature was coming towards him. Then without doubting, he felt that it is that same creature which he has created. He came to him and he said all his story, that why he has done all those things. He said that a monster has said that he has created him so ugly that none of the other person wants to talk to him. He has been rejected everywhere. He is feeling very lonely, so he want another creature to be with him. Means he want a female creature who could live with him, who could be his mate, and he requested to Victor create another female creature. Okay, by hearing this, he felt that it was all his fault that he has created such an ugly creature, that he himself don't want to look at him. What other will look at him? So finally, after and that creature monster has warned him that if he would not create a female creature for him as a mate, then he is going to destroy so many things. And he told the reason for killing the William, that when the William saw him, he found the William in a barn. Barn is a place where the grains are kept or stored. There he found the William, and William was so scared by seeing him, and in his jealous and angry, he killed the William. But he don't want to. He don't want to take all the blame on himself. So that's why when he ran away after killing the William, that monster ran away after the killing of the William. He met Justin. Okay, and just by seeing the Justin beauty, he was very jealous that when that lady will see to this monster, she will be frightened or scared, or he will be rejected by him. So what he did, the locket of the William he put in Justin's pocket, and she was sleeping over there. And by this clue only, the cop caught the Justin. Okay, this was the story behind William's murder, and Justin caught by the police. That he narrated to the Victor. Okay, then finally he said he he requested, and at the same time he warned also that if he would not create a creature, then all the time he will be looked by that monster. Means he will always he will look at him. He will never leave him, and on his wedding night also he will not let him be happy. So and he said this, and he ran away. And by this after hearing this, the Victor decided to create another mate for that ugly creature, and finally he he filled the life in a deadly body, and that was the female ugly creature for that monster. Okay, so this was the story. Student, go through it, and if you are having any doubt, ask to me. Thank you.